Hey guys, today we're talking about how to make a ton of money. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Want to finally reach financial freedom? Well, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you some proven strategies that can help you turn your finances around and start raking in the dough. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. 1. Find your passion. The first step to making a ton of money is finding something you're passionate about. If you're doing something you love, you're much more likely to be successful. Think about what you enjoy doing and see if there's a way to turn that into a profitable business. Whether it's starting a blog, creating an online course, or even starting a channel like this one, the key is to do something you're passionate about. 2. Invest in yourself. The next step is to invest in yourself. Whether it's taking courses, attending workshops, or hiring a mentor, investing in your education and development will pay off in the long run. By continuously learning and growing, you'll be able to improve your skills and increase your earning potential. 3. Network and collaborate. Networking is key to making a ton of money. Connect with others in your industry and build relationships. Attend events, join groups, and reach out to influencers in your niche. Not only will this help you learn from others, but it can also lead to potential collaborations and partnerships that can bring in big bucks. 4. Be strategic. Finally, be strategic in your approach. Create a solid business plan, set achievable goals, and track your progress. Don't be afraid to pivot if something isn't working, and always be on the lookout for new opportunities. The most successful people in any industry are those who are constantly adapting and evolving. So there you have it, folks. These are just a few of the strategies you can use to make a ton of money. Remember, success takes time, but with hard work and determination, you can achieve your financial goals. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on how to live your best life.